Hi there, students. A muggle. A muggle. Now, you've probably heard this word from Harry Potter, from the Philosopher's Stone. And a muggle is a person who has no magical abilities. Okay, so a muggle is somebody in Harry Potter's world who doesn't have magical abilities. But this word muggle actually goes back much further. I originally wondered if it had been invented by J.K. Rowling, but apparently this word muggle has been around for a long time. And a muggle is a person who doesn't have a particular skill. They are a non-specialist, somebody who is an outsider, somebody who doesn't know what they're doing in this. So within a group of English people who all speak Chinese, I would definitely be a muggle. A person who does not have the skill that, or the skill that everybody else has. And therefore, maybe they are inept, they're a bit foolish, they're not as good as everyone else. But definitely, a muggle, a person who does not have a particular skill. So when it comes to knitting, I'm a total muggle. I'm very good at other things, but when it comes to knitting, I'm a muggle. And then, according to J.K. Rowling's definition, I'm probably a muggle as well. I don't have any magical powers. So this word muggle was actually popularized by the Harry Potter series. It was made popular, although it did exist beforehand. So a person who is not conversant with a particular skill, with a particular activity. So a person could be a muggle when it comes to computers, or a muggle when it comes to gardening. Yeah, is a person who doesn't know a particular skill or a particular thing, particularly if they're in a group of other people who do. Yeah, and then from that, somebody who's foolish, stupid, or inept. Yeah, and maybe it's probably a bit informal as well. So maybe many people are muggles when it comes to cooking. Okay, a muggle, a person who doesn't have a particular skill. So what things are you a muggle at? Okay, so yeah, a muggle, somebody who doesn't know how to do things. He's a muggle when it comes to looking after children. He just doesn't understand how to do it. Yeah, he lacks the skill. Okay, so I think Harry Potter has taken this further, and it's who lacks the skill of magic, but in its old form, a non-specialist, or a person who's an outsider in a group. So I went to a restaurant with a large group of philosophers, and I was the only muggle. I think it would be fun to go to a restaurant with a group of magicians, even if you were the only muggle, because maybe they could teach you some magic. Okay, formality. I think this word muggle is informal. I think I'd give it 4 informality. So use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation. I guess maybe just a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more. And as to origin, well, definitely popularized by Harry Potter. A mug Yeah, if you're a mug, you're a bit of an idiot. Yeah, don't be such a mug. And then LE, just an ending. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A Muggle.